Kublai pi baro ngi pediang so bhai pi shakatup kubor mataka janmit shwaban paj ki kubor ki babanya ngi nyapet chwai ki mat bakong san ai jing manjur ka cabinet ya ka draft jong ka Meghalaya street vendor scheme 8,000 kulai ka state level committee ban khmi bania bat shim ki lat kelinti ban te lakam ya ka jing khai drop ong umentri ka tanat social welfare uba pol lingdo Ben krek ke jela ban pendu ya ke jing penlip boarding haki snem ban wan ong umentri ke tanat boarding u80 mondal balas dang ke state level youth exchange program ki khubor ki babania ka ken hon mentri ha gajinga lang hne ke sngi kala shim ya katto ka ne ki benta badan kam ba ken thop ya ki mat ba ya dei bat ki nong di dukan ha ki rut surok bat kumju ru ki mat ba ya dei bat katanat boarding ha ba kren bat ki lat pathai hadien gajing yalang uba pol lingdo ulayat ho bakladon ka an na ka sarkar pedeng kabla penmi house nem 8,000 khat saw ka ba khot ka street vendors protection of livelihood and regulation of street vending act 8,000 khat saw but house nem 8,000 RPR ka sarkar jilla kala penmi ya ki kendon hagade ka benta la penmi ya ka scheme mala ai kerteng ka draft Meghalaya street vendor scheme 8,000 RPulai but menta ka sngi ka ni ka draft kala yo ya ka jing menjur na ka cabinet.
We will start with the survey of the street vendors and process the applications of these vendors based on the broad framework which I have spelled out. Now, once this is a specific scheme that only today received the approval of the cabinet. So this scheme will ensure that the registration process is legal now, because this scheme is part of a central act and we are framing the rules and the scheme in accordance with that central act.
Menteri Dekmi ya katanat social welfare wa Paul Lingdo ula pentip bala thau ya ka state level committee ban kli da menteri dang ba u Conrad ke sangma ban wat ya kilat kilinti ban te lakam ya ka jing khai drok ha ka jilla komshi benta ban te lakam ya ka jing khai drok bat ban pen sngo ya ka jing kiu jong ki nong di drok ha Meghalaya la pen long ya ka jing yalang bat ki nong ya don benta lang ha secretariat hakane ke jing yalang la yo shibon teli ke jing mut bala pen sngo ru ya ki jing e ba ya kendu kham tam de ki dor ba shnong haba pen tip ne ai jing arab ya ki bor pen yat ban kem ya ki to ki badon kti ha ka jing khai ya ki drok
by the Chief Minister. This involves various departments. We are very serious on tackling this menace, which is why these meetings have been taking place almost every week. And we are serious about coming up with new rules to make them more stringent. These rules will of course have to go to the cabinet before they are brought to before they are approved.
Menteri katanat boarding u80 mondal ula pentip baka jing shlei ha Sikkim kala penthut ya ka jing penmi boarding ha ka wa tista kabla kta ya ka jing long jing man ha ka jing sam boarding ha ka ri ka dor jong ka boarding electric ru kala kiu kendiat na ka baju long ka tista kala penmi ya ka jing e ha ka bia dei ba ka jing penmi boarding ha ka bakari la ya thu mondal habakali ba kadla ka jing shlei kan kta e ka jing penmi boarding ha Meghalaya mandal ulayathu ba hado menta ka jilla kadang biang ha ka ni ka benta bat utip ya ka jinglong jingman ha ki we ki jilla.
The unfortunate flash flood and all these things, and because of the disruption of power generation in Tista River, of course there is a problem in the power scenario as far the nation is concerned. And the power price also suddenly shot up a little bit in the market. So that is the scenario. Of course, Tista has created little problem for the energy availability in the country.
Daka jingran dien jong uslap bawan nakatahan syathe lam sepni nak jilla Meghalaya hanin kesngi menteri ketenat boarding o 80 mondal ulaong bak jilla kalong kebelah krek lepa batkan yale ban penduk no ya kejing penlip boarding hakis nem banwan une menteri ulaong bala itu ya ki southly ki power project nak benta ka pump storage scheme bat on pa ya ka kai pot rekam hapo ubenai no pra Syu mondal ulaong baka sarkar jilla kadangnya tray lang bat ka NTPC ban khmi benia ya katto ka nitli ki power project bala itu ya ki southly ki power project.
We have identified around 4 power projects which can be gone for pump storage scheme and their total capacity will be around 3,100 megawatt. Maybe by December we will be completing our pre-feasibility report also.
Ka state level youth exchange program ha Meghalaya kelas dang hanin kesngi ha kabahan rius pa sanpong wat ki samla ki badonnya ki sap baper na barok khat artri ki district kilaya lumlang na kabenta ka program bashi tayo kane ka program kathmu ban kentiyo ya kajing sngaw tho ya ki riti duster jong ki jaj ben rio bat jinge tre lang ha preng ki samla da ka ba penla ru ya ki ban yo ik jing sneng bat jing hikai ka ban yarap ya ki ha kajing em shimet bat kumju ru ha ka tre ka kta ka deputy commissioner ka East Khasi Hills ikong RM Kurba ilalong ikong san ha ka program kabla penlong ha convocation hall jong kanehu campus Maukenro Shillong. Ka Khasi Students Union Hinneng Bray Area Unit hagajinglam khmat jong o President uba Anslem Rentong kilay kendo ya District Medical and Health Officer ka West Khasi Hills i Dr. S.A. Lingdo anin kesngi ban pa ni kajing penshay na i halor ka jingbom don Dr. ha Shalang PHC lapalat arbenai. Uba rentong ulaong baka union kalalit siya kani ka PHC ban penlong ya kajing jurip balalap balat nalor kajing bom don doktor kani ka PHC kadunaru hakilat ay jing sumar ka KSU kala dawai ka sarkar jilla lengba katenat ka kot ka khia ban shim khia halor kani ka benta.
Nakaleng dong kaseng ni dawa naga sarkar ba kin penggalo ya kini kicing duna ha ketika PHC itu gajing pemdan dokter gawe ke ba lokong san ha mar ladam don dokter kam don jumbo ba nginter kata PHC nata ban pendap ya gitu pos kiba teli kumju aka PHC ban kumju itu di sub center kiba hab gajing pet jangka PHC salam.
Daga jingtmu ban pennek pensa ya kariti dustur jong gijat benrio Karbi Hari Boy District ka Karbi Cultural Society Meghalaya Zone kan penlong ya kajing lekmen ba arsngi ka banlong ha ka arpulai bat arpusau turik mata ubenai risau ha ka auditorium hall jong kesnong umwang Hari Boy District kane kade ka zonal Karbi Youth Festival ba Lifeway ya ka bala ai jing kershan lang da ka All Meghalaya Karbi Association bala la ban penlong ya kadi gajing lekmen man lausnem ha ka Hari Boy District. Mentapat menyapet ya ke jinglong jingman kasun meneng ha Shillong. Ka jing syet kalong arpulai point away degree Celsius, bar ka jing kriat kalong kat lai degree Celsius. Ka jing sngam ka hau-hau kalong san punyaw na kashi spa min step, ban riu pusaw na kashi spa jan meet. Ka sun meneng kan rang hanong ba Shillong bat hakijaka ba markap bat ka. Shwaban poy siya kapakut jong ka tup kubor nganyapet biang sashi sen ya kimat ba kong sana. Ai jing menjur ke cabinet ya ke draft jom ka Meghalaya Street Vendor Scheme Arhajar Arpulai. Ka state level committee ban khmi ibnya bat shim yikilat kelinti ban tek lakam ya ke jing khayi drop ong menteri ketenat social welfare uba Paul Lingdo. Ben kre ke jilla ban pendu ya ke jing penlip boarding haki slam ban wan ong menteri ketenat boarding u 80 mondal. Balas dang ka state level youth exchange program. Te parlok dak itu ki kubor ngila poi syaka bakut jong katup kubor jongi mentaga janmit hadu bangin dia syambiang bat pila syai ka sngi kublei pi baro.
Invest in the share market, earn lakhs with guaranteed returns. This limited period offer is just for you.
Snakes have cameras in their eyes.
How can you believe this nonsense?
Aren't you doing the same thing, Dad? Nobody